2011 Forest River Georgetown 378TS for sale in Rockingham, Virginia 22802. Spread your wings and fly with this 2011 Forest River Georgetown 378TS. This Class A motorhome is 37 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong-powered Triton V10 gasoline engine mated with automatic transmission. This RV has 3 slide-outs, 1 electric awning, and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 4 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with auto hydraulic leveling system, backup camera, side vision camera and captain's chairs. With only 27,000 miles, you can rest assured that this Forest River Georgetown will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2011 Forest River Georgetown 378TS is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include full-body paint with no DecalsCorian countertops, stainless steel appliances, 3-burner stove / OvenConvection, MicrowaveFour door refrigerator / FreezerIce, MakerDouble kitchen, SinkDinette with chair, SeatingFireplaceLivingroom, TelevisionSurround, SoundDVD / CD / StereoReclining sofa, SleeperFully rotating driving and passenger seat for extra SeatingPleated day / night, ShadesStand, upshower, SkylightPorcelain toilet, bathroom sink, washer / dryer, upsMaster, queen-size BedMaster, TelevisionMaster, ClosetBasement, StorageFurnaceTwo, air conditioning system, zone and 5500 backup generator, duct and floor for heat, gas / electric water heater, water filtration system, cruise control, smoke / carbon monoxide detector, 1-piece fiberglass roof, 6 new Michelin tires with less than 500 miles on them, ThemExcali-Bar tow bar, front steering assist, rear track bar assist, and so much more. This 2011 Forest River Georgetown 378TS is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Forest River Georgetown is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2011 Forest River Georgetown 378TS.